50 pounds of copper in just a few hours with this tool? Now, you can get it for only $15. Ever since I built this tool, a lot of people have been messaging me asking if I sell it. The answer is no, it's not for sale. But don't worry, I found a great alternative that works just as well, and it costs only $15. I'll show it to you in just a moment. But first, for everyone new to the channel, I already made a full tutorial showing how to build a machine like this yourself. It's simple, practical, and made from materials you can easily find. This is actually a pasta machine, but it has another function that even the manufacturer probably never imagined. It has two metal rollers, and the distance between them can be adjusted from 1 to 7 millimeters depending on the size of the copper wire you want to process. As you turn the handle, the rollers press and crush the insulation, and on the other side you get clean copper and plastic. All that's left is to separate them. Now let's give it a real test. First, I'll secure it tightly to the table, and I'll use wires from 1 to 4 square millimeters. Just a reminder, you can find this almost anywhere, in nearly any kitchen supply store, no matter where you live. I bought mine for only $15, and I doubt it costs much more where you are. Honestly, it's worth every dollar. It costs about the same as a knife, but works like 5 knives at once. Just look at how clean the copper comes out. After that, all you have to do is separate the plastic wire from the copper. Nothing difficult. Let's see how much copper I can process in just 10 minutes. I'm starting the timer now, and after that, we'll check the final result on the scale. Just a reminder, this method only works with solid core wire. It won't work well with stranded wire, but I have other great ideas for that on my channel. Here's the final result. In just 10 minutes, I managed to get 900 grams of clean copper, about 2 pounds. And keep in mind, these were very thin wires, so the result is actually pretty good. If you connect this machine to a drill, the output can be 3 times higher. Send this video to a friend who still strips wire with a knife. And don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more useful ideas like this.